Today I want to show you this 17.3-inch wireless portable monitor and why I've been loving it as a second screen. It connects wirelessly to my laptop using AirPlay or Miracast, and it works smoothly even for several meters away, up to about 30 feet. I use it as an extended display for multitasking, like working on documents while keeping another screen open. It also connects wirelessly to my phone or iPad. I love the auto rotation feature. The screen flips automatically when I tilt it. The image looks great and the dual speaker sounds really clear. You can also connect it with a cable using Type-C or mini HDMI. And the 2.5K resolution 2560 by 1440 looks super sharp. It's a super flexible monitor for work, entertainment, and everyday use.